Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tower of Hell on mobile. First, you'll need to download the official Roblox application from your device's app store, which is the only way to access the game. Make sure your phone or tablet has at least 2 GB of RAM for the best experience. Once installed, simply log into your Roblox account or create a new one in just a few moments. Then, search for Tower of Hell within the app and jump right into the action. Mastering the mobile controls is key to conquering the tower. You'll use the on-screen joystick for all your movement, allowing you to walk, run, and position your character. The jump button is your best friend. Tap it to leap across gaps and climb upwards. Don't forget to adjust your camera sensitivity in the game settings to find what feels most comfortable for you. With a little practice, you'll be timing those jumps perfectly and navigating the tower like a pro in no time. To truly excel, consider some advanced climbing strategies. Watching experienced players can reveal clever routes and shortcuts you might not have noticed. Practice wall jumping. It's a crucial skill for reaching those tricky higher ledges. Remember to take short, strategic breaks on safe platforms to catch your breath and plan your next few moves carefully. Rushing often leads to mistakes, so focus on consistent, patient progress up the tower, even when it gets tough. Playing on mobile can present unique challenges, but there are solutions. To reduce lag, close any unnecessary background applications before launching Roblox. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial to avoid frustrating disconnections during a climb. If possible, playing on a tablet or a phone with a larger screen can significantly improve your visibility and control. Most importantly, remember that consistent practice is the only way to truly master Tower of Hell on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.